Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to change the language on WhatsApp. Whether you want to switch to a new language or revert back to one you're familiar with, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure it's updated to the latest version for the best experience. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Tap on them. This will open a drop-down menu. From there, select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find an option labeled App Language. Tap on it. This section allows you to choose from a list of available languages. Now, simply browse through the list and tap on the language you want to use. Once selected, WhatsApp will instantly update its interface to reflect your chosen language. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language on WhatsApp. This feature makes it easier to use the app in your preferred language, enhancing your overall experience. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to share it with others who might find it useful. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.